Hey, what's up guys? If you're looking for a security camera that offers wide coverage, automatic motion tracking, power over Ethernet, and a locker storage without requiring a monthly subscription, this camera might be worth considering. Today, I am going to show you how I installed the new TP-Link Tapo C575D dual lens security camera above my garage. Walk you through the installation process and share a few installation tips that can save you some time if you're planning to do this by yourself. By the end of this video, you will see the complete installation process, how easy it is to configure, and some real-world footage so you know what to expect. Let's get started.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, DL Boots.
Before climbing the ladder, let's see what it comes in the box. Outside of the box, you will see that this is a 2-in-1 camera for dual views. This has an angle of 170 degrees wide. It's optional for PoE for more stable connections. Also, it has power if you don't want to use the PoE feature. It will synchronize with a smart detection tracking. Also, it has a smart dual AI detection on no monthly fees because nobody wants to pay for a monthly fee when you are spending too much money for a camera. And it has local storage up to 512 gigabytes. Inside the box, you will find the documentation for installation. You will have an installation template right over here for a wall mount. You will have a few cables right over here. The power adapter. You have these adapters as well. Screws. And most importantly, we have the camera. It appears that it has a mount. Okay, so this looks pretty sturdy. I like how it feels. It doesn't feel cheap. In the back, you're gonna have a slot to put a micro SD right over here. And right over here, you will have a button to reset the camera. So to remove this mount, you have to use your hand, press over here and pull. This is how you pull this mount. This is the part of the mount that is gonna go on the wall, and then you slide it. This will be easy for installation. But one thing that I wanted to you guys to see is how this is for PoE, power over Ethernet, and this is in case you just want to use regular power and you want to use the power adapter. Okay, so it does look like we have two antennas right here that is for reception of Wi-Fi. Like I said before, this is a dual 4K camera, and let's see if this camera holds to what they're claiming that it does. The first thing I noticed about this camera is that this isn't your typical secure camera. Instead of having a single lens, it actually has two. You have one over here and one at the bottom. The top lens is a fixed wide angle view, while the lower one has a tilt and a zoom, and it can automatically follow movement. It is designed to capture the overall scene while simultaneously focus on activity. This is great because you have a dual view of the area that you want to look for. Another thing that I wanted to show you is the quick start guide. This has a few options for you to install it. When you open this, it will tell you every single step that you need to do. Alright, so it does look like we have a few options on how to install this camera. The way that I'm going to install it is going to be tilting to using this side right over here. The good thing about it is that we have this drill holes template, and you can just put it over on the wall and it will tell you exactly when you need, where you need to drill your hole. that is the way that I want to do it. I don't need to do it this way because that's not the setup that I have. And this is a little bit weird because you can put it on a pole mount. It doesn't come with the mounting loops. However, this will be interesting in case you want to have, I don't know how this will work out in a setup because you need at least power and you don't want to have the cables exposed. So let's just install this and see how it goes. I am installing the Tapo C575D right above my garage door. As you can see, I am replacing my Uni5 G5 dome. I already have a dedicated Ethernet cable here, so powering it with PoE is quick and easy. This is also the perfect spot to test a camera like this because it is the busiest area around my house. It captures cars driving by, delivery drivers, neighbors walking past, and anyone coming up to the front door. If a camera is going to prove what it's capable of, this is the perfect spot to do it. One thing that I don't like so far about installing this camera is that the Ethernet cable is exposed to the outside. In the past, I have made a few videos installing cameras and I try to conceal those cables. In this case, I am not able to do that because I didn't want to make a bigger hole on the wall. Right after I plugged the Ethernet cable, the camera was able to recognize the power and then it started moving, which is great because I know that the camera is working fine. So now let's just install the application on my phone. So all you have to do is to download from your app store and it should take a few minutes. Right after that, you just add the device on your settings of your computer and then it should be able to recognize everything. Of course, you have to create an account so you can have access to your data as well. Then you add a device, you find the camera that you have, and then after that, you add it to your network. Setting up this camera is really easy. After you give it a name, the system will prompt you to follow the instructions in how to set it up. It is super easy. I think they did a good job showing this because not everybody is tech savvy to set up a camera like this. It gives you step by step on how to mount it and how to set it up. So this is my first impression of installing the camera. As you can see, this is awesome because the camera actually follows me. The camera on the bottom follows anybody that is walking around the neighborhood. My G5 dome does not do that, and I'm really impressed that this camera can do that. Also, I did forget to install the micro SD in the camera, so I had to go back and put it on. But as you can see, this is good footage. Look how this thing is following me around in my own front yard. This is a better angle on how the camera follows you. You can move around. The bottom camera starts giving you notifications and also tracks whoever is in front of your house. This is awesome. I like this camera so far. I think this is a great addition for my security setting that I already have. And this is how the camera performs at night. I am really impressed on how it does. The night vision is pretty decent compared to other cameras out there. One thing that I cannot stress enough about is how the camera follows people around. There's not that many cameras out there that can do that. And if they are really expensive. Another thing that I'm impressed about this camera is the audio recording. I can hear the audio from really far. That is about 25 yards outside of my house, and it's picking up the audio pretty well. Before I wrap up, I would like to thank TP-Link for sending me this camera to review. So far, I have been really impressed with its performance. During the day, the image quality is excellent, and at night, it performs just as well as many other cameras I have tested. One feature I really like is the built-in person tracking, which follow people as they come and move through the frame and adds an extra layer of security. After spending some time testing it, I can honestly say this camera has impressed me. The daytime image quality is sharp, nighttime performance is excellent, and the dual lens technology that they have in the design gives you the best of both worlds. A wide view of the entire area, while the second camera automatically tracks people and vehicles as they move. One thing I really appreciate about this is that you don't have to pay a monthly subscription just to get the features that matter. You still get a person, you still get a vehicle, a pet detection, smart notifications, and local recording right out of the box. If you want cloud storage, it is available, but it is completely optional. Another big advantage is the value. Instead of buying two separate cameras to cover a wide area and zoom in and out on activities, this camera combines both into a single device. You can add PoE, supports 4K resolution, weather resistant, and local storage, and it becomes very compelling option for anyone looking to upgrade their home security without breaking the bank. And if you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what you think in the comment about this camera. If you'd like to check this Tapo C575D for yourself, I will leave my Amazon affiliate link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time for the next build.